Alright, man, here got another light slight video. I ain't posting in a while. Still got the slides on. I'm gonna switch to some shoes. Y'all see, man, got the ATVs out. I haven't posted an update video on this one. I did like 2 or 3 videos with this one. This bike was yellow. I spray painted. If you follow my TikTok, Instagram, you see what I did to it already. You see, man, camouflage going crazy. Young Dolph, you know what I'm saying? Long live my boy Young Dolph. PRE, you see, man, big flipper. So this was the second project ATV. It's almost done. It's having some carburetor issues, like it's boggling. That needs to be fixed. If you've been following the channel or Instagram, you already know about this one. Got this one last year. This one's been done. This was run. They both are the same thing, both Suzuki LTZ 400s. Let me see, maybe this one should start, but y'all see, man, this is how quick walk around. I did paint this myself, camouflage myself. Then I put the little blue accents on it, like the chain, the hose right here, gas cap, dumb throttle. You see it right there too, man. And like I said, you already seen this one, so you already know what I got done in this one. I'm gonna go ahead and start this one up so y'all can hear it. Like I say, this one is having like carburetor issues right now, so this is not really running all the way. This is tough. Like I said, this one's not running all the way, so y'all heard it, man. Does run, but it don't run correctly. And definitely got more Hellcat content on the way. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see it in those fresh meats. Mickey's is gone, they toast, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta switch those out. I ain't switched it out, but when I get ready to, just know I'm gonna do a big burnout video, so stay tuned for that. About to take a ride on this one right here, man, so y'all stay tuned. You see I got the GoPro on there right there. I may mount one on the back or something like that, but about to take this one for a ride, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see, man, no sun, cool little weather, man.
on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past.